Hey guys, this is RD Techie, and in today's video we're unboxing the Portronics mini keyboard. We got this from Amazon. We got it once, we had to return it, and we got a new one. So I'll give you all the details and cut right into it after the intro. Right, so today we're doing the unboxing of the Portronics mini keyboard. It is a keyboard I got just to use for my streaming computer, which is why I opted for a mini layout, which does not have the numpad. Speaking of this keyboard, I ordered it, we got it, and then we got a used one. It was dirty. It actually had like a hair on the mouse. The seal was broken, and it wasn't good. It wasn't good at all. So we returned it, and the seller was very quick in giving us a new product. So let's tear right into this one. The seal is not broken this time, so that gives me hope. Let's go. All right, so we got this from Amazon. The link to it will be in the description. I cut out the seal that time. The package itself definitely feels like it hasn't been opened, so that's good. And there we go. Again, we're missing the battery, which was supposed to be included. We're missing that. That said, though, the mouse is still dirty. I think they're just really bad with the packaging. I don't know. Maybe it's just the packaging. Mouse is still dirty. No hair or anything. Just dirty, dust and dirt. So I'm gonna leave that there, and this is the keyboard. So when you get the warranty thing, I don't know what good that will do, because if that's what you get new, I don't really want to know what warranty will cover. This is the manual, so I'm gonna put that in the box. These are stuff that we don't need. I'll put that on the side over there. So this is the keyboard. It's got chiclet kind of, excuse the birds, they are annoying. Chiclet keys. They're not mechanical. They're very cheap. They were around 800 rupees on Amazon, which kind of translates to about $12, even $11 for you guys in the US. I guess maybe 8 or 9 pounds for you guys in the UK, and euro, and I guess something like that as well. So this is the keyboard. Now this feels premium. Gotta give it to them. The keyboard does feel premium. It does not seem to have any sign of use, so that's great. It has these stands, which I always end up using, even though I think, why would I need those stands? I'm actually gonna put the knife back in the thing, because I'm gonna stab myself if not. So, all in all, I'm quite happy with it. You can see it's got that, it's quiet, which is fine. I got this so I can hook it up to my streaming PC, which is my laptop is what does the streaming when I play on my main gaming PC. The reason I got it was that I didn't have to get up to type in and everything. I do have a Logitech mouse that I use with it, but I wanted a combo so I can just use one USB port, which is this only has one USB receiver, and it's right there. Right there, that's the USB receiver, and it's tiny, as most of these cheap keyboards and mice tend to be, or actually anything really, even Logitech receivers are tiny. It's tiny and it does the job for both, so I'm very happy with that. No batteries included, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna run down, get me some batteries, and I will be back and hook these things up and see if that actually work, because first time it did not work, so that's not ideal. But yeah, so see you in a second. Right, and I'm back, and I've got my I got a couple of Pentorch AA batteries in my hands. We need one AA for this one, and we need one AA for this, so that's why I just ran down and got a couple of them. There you go. So fresh out of the box. Let's see if that works. Okay, and oh, sit down. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna seal this up. Okay, and where's the, there it is. Seal that up. I'm gonna hook this up right there. I'm gonna see if it works. So far, nothing. Okay, so that's great. Oh, it's working. Yay. Okay, it's working. Now let's test out the laptop. All right. Open Mozilla. Let's go test. Yes, it's working. That is cool. Like it. All right, so we got the thing working. Everything's great. I'm gonna close that. So this, in spite of appearances and the lack of the included battery, which we're supposed to get, we didn't get that. In spite of that, it works and it does the job that we need it to for now. We will be keeping an eye on it because I'm very, very cautious with this now, because this is the second time I'm getting it. The package was sealed and we still didn't have the battery which was supposed to be included. So it kind of feels like there's something happening there that just doesn't add up. That said though, I do like how it feels. It has a real nice premium feel, even though it's cheap. It is plastic and only plastic. There's no metal, aluminum anywhere, but it's pretty cool. It'll do the job. And I just love the color combo, you know. It's not really techie blue. I would love like a black with techie blue on it. But, you know, at that point, you're going into really heavy customization, and that's not going to go there for $10. That's not going to happen for $10, but that is a really cool mini keyboard. I never thought I would use a mini keyboard, but here we go. But the reason I'm using it is because I don't need the numpad, because it's for the streaming PC. My mechanical keyboard on my gaming PC does have the numpad, because I would go crazy without it. But that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Have you used Portronics products before? If you have, what did you think? Did it actually last? Did you get what you ordered? Did you get dirty stuff when you ordered good stuff, new stuff? Did it look like it was used? Tell me everything, and I will be looking forward to seeing your comments. But this has been the video of unboxing the Portronics. I don't really know. I want to say keycap A1A or something, but the mini keyboard by Portronics. If you guys want to see anything specific unboxed, let me know in the comments and I'll try it. As long as it's something tech and it's something I can use, I will always look forward to checking it out and buying it and seeing if I can get it for you. So that's it for this video. I hope you all have had a fantastic day and continue to have a brilliant week. This is RD Techie, just reminding you to stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Wash your hands so you can stay healthy. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.